This is Carol and this is
Hannah. Hello.
from Tiny Space Health. Today we're going to go through just some stretches for after your walk, and we've been walking quite a lot lately, a lot more than we normally do. So this is an easy way to remember it is we're going to go from the lower body to the upper body and just, nice, easy, quick. And if you hear any screaming and stuff outside, it's just there's a whole lot of kids running around outside and they're having a good time. So okay, so we're going to just start with you're going to hold on to something and we're going to roll the ankles. Just roll the ankles nice and slowly, keeping this other leg a little bit bent and keeping your chest upright. Okay, and then just roll it the other way, because you need to roll your ankles. Yep. Okay, let's go to the other side. So keep the weight on that leg. If you're super clever, you don't have to hold on to the wall. Does that mean I'm super clever?
Absolutely.
It means I'm fluking it. I'm holding on to the wall. Roll it the other way. I think I just did the quickest ankle rolls in my life then. I was like, okay. All right, so we're going to go from there to calves. So the muscles here. Grab hold of a wall or something, or you can not, doesn't matter. Feet shoulder width apart, one leg goes to the back, the heel stays down on the back leg, and you're going to lean forward. It's always just much easier with a wall or something. Yep. Just leaning forward, really pushing down that heel at the back and keeping your back nice and straight as well. Okay, so let's change over. So other leg, feet shoulder width apart, one leg goes back. Okay, if by chance you haven't got a wall, you could just be here, oopsie, and leaning forward, but keeping that heel down on that back leg. Okay. It's a bit of a thigh workout in the front leg. Yeah. So, okay, so we've done the calf. So we're going to go up the body. So the next one we're going to do is the hamstrings at the back of the leg. So I'm going to go this way, Hannah's going to go forward. So just go with your, yes, she's going, you guys go with your left leg. Okay, and we're going to lean over. Keeping this leg straight. As you do it, you push your bottom away and keep the weight on that leg. The bent leg is holding the weight. Right, so you should be able to sort of literally do that a little bit, yeah? Okay, flexing the foot, should be feeling it down the back of the hamstrings. If you don't, you can lean down a little bit. And then we're going to come up nice and slow. We're not staying on anything too long. Okay, so your right leg is going forward, and we're going to push the bottom away. And weight is on that leg. Should be able to do that. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to push that foot down, and we're going to stay on the hamstring trail for a little bit. We're going to do one more hamstring stretch. Yep. So keep the feet just a little bit in, not too wide, and you're going to tuck your chin in, and you're going to roll the spine down. So we're just going to articulate through the spine, rolling down nice and slowly, one at a time. Keeping the legs straight but not locked. The knees aren't locked out, okay? There's a little softness through the knees and coming down to the floor. Relax your head. And if you find that's too hard, you can't come down here, you can just do what Hannah's doing. Find somewhere to support yourself. And then just really feel that nice stretch through the hamstrings. And then slowly, we're going to roll back up, but starting from your lower spine. So we're just really trying to loosen through the spine, getting a bit of movement through the spine. So the last thing that comes up is your head. Okay, so really slowly coming up, head comes up last, and then roll the shoulders back and down. Because sometimes when we're walking, we sort of hunch a bit, don't we?
Yeah. Especially power walking.
Okay, so hamstrings, thighs. So we're going to grab hold of something. So we're going to stretch out the thigh. So weight's on one leg. So you're going to lift your right leg up. Are you right there?
I'm going to try to do it today.
I don't know. Okay, try to keep the knees together. Well, pretty close together. Like, don't let them be out here. Keep them fairly close together. If that feels too easy, what you do is you push that hip forward and pull the foot in towards your bottom more. Okay, staying upright, make sure not to lean forward. All right, and then we're going to change sides. Okay, so other side. Oh, I should do the one like you, try to be clever. I don't know, we'll try it. We'll see how we go. Doesn't matter. Just give it a go, a bit of a balance at the same time. So if you want to have a bit of a balance at the same time, give it a try. Knees fairly close together. Pull it into your bottom or push that hip forward and keep your body upright. Yeah. Whoops, you're going to be bouncy there. And 3, 2, and 1. Excellent work. So we've gone to here. So what's next on the thing? The next on the list is the hips. So I am going to hold on to something.
Me too.
We're going to keep the weight on your left leg. Your right leg is going to lift up and we do little circles. Now you don't have to do this. We like to do these. I feel like I say we like to party. We don't really. We like to do hip rolls. And we're going to just go back the other way. Keep it, remember, body upright. These are really good to do after having a walk. Okay, so let's go the other side. Can't remember which way we went, but we just go one way and then we go the other way.
Absolutely.
Doesn't matter. I tend to sort of touch the toe to the floor, doing little circles. If that circle's too big, I'm going to go the other way now. You just do little ones, just do a little circle like this. It's fine. But it's good for a little bit of mobility through the hip. Make it fairly slow as well, because that's going to help strengthen the hips. Shake it out a little bit. Okay, so we're moving on. We're going to do a little bit of a stretch through the side, feet shoulder width apart, and you're going to go up and over. I like to have my hand here. Whatever you like. Get this arm, pull it back. Yeah, because that'll help stretch the back here. Very technical term that. It helps stretch out the back here.
Yeah.
Up and over. Famous words from an instructor of over 30 years. Yay! Do this one. You'll be right. Okay, excellent. So coming back up, so we've done the side. So now we're going to do an upper back stretch. So we're going to have the arms forward. I'm going to go this way.
Yep.
And we're going to push forward. So what you do is pulling the shoulder blades apart and sucking in through the belly. So a little bit of a curve through the spine here, stretching forward. And slight bend through the knees as well. Really reaching forward. Excellent. And then we're going to come back up. Okay, so what are we up to? We're going to done that. We're going to do the front. So we're going to do chest. We're going to put our hands on our hips. We're going to do a yoga sort of one here. Not really. Anyway, shoulders forward, shoulders forward. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. Shoulders back. Okay, so push your shoulders back, open your chest, really feel that slight bend in the knees, a little slight bend in the knees, and if you want, you can push your hips forward a bit. Don't have to. Hannah's not going to today, but you can if you want, and looking up just a wee bit to increase the stretch. Really opens up through the chest and stretches the front of the shoulders. So chest, we're nearly there. We're going to do, just shake it out a bit. We're just going to roll the shoulders a bit because we haven't done that yet.
Yeah.
And 2, and one more. One more. Okay, so we're going to stretch the shoulders now. We're going to bring your right hand is going to come across your chest. Bring this one underneath, pull it in. Slight bend through the knees as well. Always try to do that little bend through the knees. Kids have stopped playing outside. Got quiet. Ooh, that's not going to last for long. The weather's getting a bit warmer here, so kids are out and about a little bit more, which is nice. Shake it out. Bring the other arm across your chest. Come in and pull it in. Should be feeling it through the front here of your shoulders. Do all sorts of things. And we're nearly done. We're doing very, very well. Okay, so we're up to the shoulders. We're going to just give them a little bit of a shake. I like to do this one. We're going to scrunch the shoulders up and then we're going to push them down. And keeping our body nice and tall as we do this, scrunch it up, push it down. And one more, scrunch up. And the only other one that we're going to do today is a little bit of the neck. So just going to let your neck just sink forward. I'm going to go sideways. Just tilt the neck forward and just let your head hang a bit. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Don't go like this. Shoulders away from the ears, but just let the head go down there and relax. And then bring it up. Very good. Last two. A little bit to the side. You don't need to push it. Head's heavy enough that you should be able to get a stretch there. None of this. Don't do that. Okay. You've got a big brain. It will push the head over for you. Okay, let's go the other side. As you do this, try to push the shoulder that's away down. Okay, don't let this come up here. Push it down. And we're nearly done. And then we can go for another walk tomorrow and do our stretches.
Yep.
And be all nice and loosey-goosey for tomorrow.
Yep, ready for the day.
Ready for the day. So thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you next time. And have a great day and have a great walk.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.